Dear students, now we are going to see Unit 1 Prose, first lesson, Sea Turtles, book back answers. First one, choose the correct answers. You may choose more than one answer if needed. Okay, first question. The dash is the biological relative of tortoises. First option, sea turtle. B option, fish. C option, reptile. The correct answer is sea turtle. The correct answer is sea turtle. Second question. In India's coastal water, we can see a species of dash. First option, tortoises. Second option, sea turtles. C option, dolphin. The correct answer is sea turtles. The correct answer is sea turtles. Third question. Sea turtles come to the shore to, first option, visit their birthplace. Second option, lay eggs. Third one, go back to sea. The correct answer is B, lay eggs. The correct answer is B, lay eggs. Next question. It is a problem for sea turtles to come ashore because A, they find it difficult to walk on the sand. B, they don't know their way to the shore. C, animals and people hunt them. The correct answer is they find it difficult to walk on the sand. The correct answer is A, they find it difficult to walk on sand. Next question. A turtle's flippers help it to A, swim. B, dig a nest. C, climb. The correct answer is A, swim. The correct answer is A, swim. Next question, sixth one. A sea turtle camouflages its nest by tossing sand on it to dash. A, hide its eggs from predators. B, incubate eggs in the warmth of the sun. C, keep the hatchling safe. The correct answer is B, incubate eggs in the warmth of the sun. B, incubate eggs in the warmth of the sun. Next one. Find any 5 words related to sea from the text. Write them below. Then use the words to frame sentences of your own. Okay, you have to frame own sentence. First one, example. Beach. We like to play in the sandy beach. Second one, swimming. I like swimming. Third one, motorboat. We went on a motorboat. Fourth one, crabs. People eat crabs as a seafood. Fifth one, sand. Children play on sand. Sixth one, cavity. There are cavities in beach. Next Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with words that convey correct meaning of the sentences. Okay. Tiny hatchling fall dash. See, the 2 words are given in bracket. You have to choose the correct spelling. See that these we called as the homophones. Homophones means what? The 2 words have the same sound but different meaning. So you have to select the which one is the correct spelling. Okay. The hatchling, tiny hatchling fall dash to many predators. First one P-R-A-Y, another one is P-R-E-Y. So the correct answer is P-R-E-Y. Correct answer is P-R-E-Y. Then second one, sea turtles live their life in the sea. Which one is correct? The correct spelling is whole. W-H-O-L-E. Whole. Third one, the turtles come ashore only during the dash. The turtles come ashore only during the dash. Night. The correct spelling is N-I-G-H-T. Fourth one, the predators follow the dash of the turtles to eat their eggs. The correct spelling is S-C-E-N-T. Scent. S-C-E-N-T. Fifth one, the female turtles lay eggs and go back to the dash. The female turtles lay eggs and go back to the dash. The correct answer is C. S-E-A. S-E-A. Okay, so children, see the answers are here. You have to mark. First one P-R-E-Y, second one W-H-O-L-E, third one N-I-G-H-T, fourth one S-C-E-N-T, then the last one is S-E-A. Okay, so the next one, the questions are, what escaped from the zoo? A tiger, monkey. So which one is correct? Monkey. Yes, monkey is the correct answer. Second one, when did it escape? At 10 p.m. at 10 a.m. Which one is correct? Yes, the answer is at 10 a.m. Then next question, how did it escape? How did it escape? Pushed out of the fence. So the correct answer is pushed out of the fence. Next one, what did the zookeeper do? What did the zookeeper do? Rang up the police. The correct answer is rang up the police. Next question, when should you call or dial 180-345-776? And correct answer is when you see the monkey. The correct answer is when you see the monkey. Next one, make meaningful sentences from the table given below. Okay, see one table is given, few words are given, you have to make a meaningful sentence. So first one is, a turtle is huge, has flippers to swim. The next, turtles live in the sea, have a connection with the land, are found in coastal waters, are wonderful creatures. Okay, next, write the suitable sentences for the pictures given below. Here they given few pictures. You have to write suitable sentences. So the answer for first picture, the boy is taking the glass. The boy is taking the glass. Second picture, the glass breaks. The glass breaks. Third picture, the boy is going to school. The boy is going to school. Fourth one, the gate is open. The gate is open. The girl is seeing her bag. The girl is seeing her bag. The last picture is, the bag is closed. The bag is closed. The next one, match the two halves of the sentences and read them. See, it's match the following. Okay, first one, sea turtle. The correct answer is come ashore to lay eggs. come ashore. C1. Answer is C1. Come ashore to lay eggs. Second one, hatchlings. Cut open the leathery eggshell. Cut open the leathery eggshell. D1. Then third, a turtle uses its front flippers to swim. B option. Uses its front flippers to swim. Fourth one, many factors threaten the survival of sea turtle. First one. Thank you, children.